Cauliflower florets are deep fried, a spicy masala base is prepared, and then the florets are tossed in it to make this delicious cauliflower 65. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. If you love chicken 65, you're going to love this recipe. I'm making a vegetarian version, crispy and delicious. This is my gobi or cauliflower 65. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I have 6 cups of cauliflower florets here, and I've cut these quite small so that they can be encased in the batter when deep fried. And for the batter, I have a cup of cornstarch slurry here. This is just cornstarch dissolved in water, and it has a nice thickness. Cornstarch always settles at the bottom and it tends to get clumpy, so you do have to stir it at intervals. I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste and a half teaspoon of turmeric. This will give the cauliflower a nice golden hue. You will need to mix up more batter as you need it. Dip the cauliflower in the batter and deep fry. And when each floret has a crispy exterior, drain it on some kitchen towel. Repeat this process till all the florets are coated and fried. In a wok or a karai, I have some oil heating up and I'm going to add in half a cup of finely diced onion, followed by 1 cup of curry leaves. These are incredibly fragrant leaves that you can find at most Indian stores. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Give this a quick stir and add in 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, as well as my secret ingredient, 2 tablespoons of chili paste or Sambal Oelek. I'm going to mix this well. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and to get that classic red 65 color, I'm going to be adding powdered food coloring. I've just mixed a pinch of this food coloring together with water and I'm going to add this in. Mix it well to incorporate. Now that the masala is ready, I'm going to add in all of the cauliflower and toss it gently to coat. I like to allow this to sit in the pan so the bottom gets a little charred and crunchy. And this is ready to eat.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. Hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for gobi or cauliflower 65. It's a vegetarian version of chicken 65 and it has all of the flavor that you can expect from this recipe. If you love this, do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share it with your family and friends, and make sure that you're subscribed and that you've rung the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.